Well, the southeast wind finally built up to about 30 knots here this afternoon, and a couple hundred miles out of Cape Town, so we're just kind of working our way through it. It should go around about a 12 or 18 hour cycle and back down here. It's been pretty wet, pretty wild the last 6 hours here. You can see how big some of these seas are and stuff. And winds up to about 30 knots, mostly in the mid-20s. And we're cracked off and reaching. Right now I'm charging the battery. You can hear the engine run a little bit. So we're a little hunkered down here and trying to stay out of the wetness as best I can. You can see everything around here is just flowing water. So